Kayla here, back with another video. As you guys had already seen in the title thing, yeah, today I'm gonna be letting you guys know. Hold on. Gotta fix it. Oh. Alright, we'll go check. Alright, so today I'm gonna be telling you guys what are my favorite transitioning hair products. So I'm not even gonna ramble anymore. We're gonna get right into this video because I want to tell you guys all about my favorite products and how my hair has transformed within 10 months. So first things first, I'm gonna show you guys the shampoos that I use. I only use 2 shampoos. My favorite one has to be the raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo. It has CK, argan oil, and organic shea butter. This I was using my sophomore year when I had curls, but I just wanted them to be better. And like this really helped. Like I started using it again, I would say in July. I had started using it again. And like by the 3rd month, I can already see like little curls at my roots and stuff like that. So this is a plus. Like this deserves an A+ for me. Like I love this shampoo. Like I even got the big one. This was a 50% bonus. Like they gave me extra in here and I need extra. And like I'm almost done with it. But like since I alternate between 2 different shampoos, it's not gone yet. The other shampoo I use that's like another favorite is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This is good for like when my scalp is like really dirty with like buildup. And then also I like the fact that it has Jamaican Black Castor Oil in it because like your girl needs some growth. So usually when I'm in the shower I massage it into my scalp because you know you gotta stimulate that blood flow, you feel me? So it has organic shea butter, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and peppermint. So you know peppermint is like minty, so like you got like that tingly feeling. So it's gonna stimulate your scalp. But this is another one that helped. Like these are my 2 favorite that I've been using since like sophomore year, and like I can really see a difference in my hair between these 2. So now I'm gonna jump into deep conditioners. Now I alternate between 4 different deep conditioners, but I only use like 2 out of the 4. And the 2 that I use the most are the ones that match the shampoo. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil one and the raw shea butter one. These are my favorite. But my ultimate favorite is this one. As you can see, it's like almost gone. Like, I just love this deep conditioner. This one helps with like, this helps for like dry damaged hair, and like if you're transitioning, this is like perfect because your hair is damaged, you have heat damage, you know, it's probably dry. So I would say this is the best fit for you to get. Like this is my favorite. Get it with the shampoo, like thebomb.com. Now this one I don't like to use a lot of it because it's like it smells so good to me. But this one's for like natural chemically processed hair. This is for transitioning too. You know, your hair is chemically processed. You know, those perms, the Brazilian keratins, and all that other good, like good stuff, bad stuff, all that other bad stuff for naturals. So like this is really good. Like let's say if you dyed your hair blonde like multiple times and your curl pattern is like fading away, get this. This right here will help you. I really like this one. I don't use it as much because I was trying to get my curl pattern back, so I used the raw shea butter one more than this. The other deep conditioner I have by Shea Moisture is the Anti-Breakage Strengthening Mask. This is for frizzy, split, and breaking hair. I don't really use this one as much, but it works pretty good. Like it makes my hair shiny. I do see that. Now the split end part and stuff like that, I don't really pay attention to that because I'm like a scissor happy type person. So every time I see a split end, I just cut it off. But this has yucca extract, plantain extract, and boba oil. I don't really know how to pronounce it. Boabab oil. We're gonna call it Boabab oil. Okay, as you can see, I'm like a big Shea Moisture person. I just love the Shea Moisture line. I'm not saying that you have to get Shea Moisture, but like these are the products that like work for my hair. And like this is my hair only 10 months, not even a year yet, transitioning. Obviously I don't have my full curl pattern yet, but like it's there. It's there. Now this one, I mix it with the other 3 deep conditioners. This is Mega Thick Intense Repair. This is by DooGro. So it has aloe vera, it has protein and shea butter, and it promotes thick, strong growing hair. I will say my hair was not this thick when I first started like transitioning again. My hair was not this thick. Like with so much hair like this, it was not like this. I would say it does help growing. This is not my first time using this. This is like my 3rd. And like, yeah, with all of my products I use, I see a difference because I always stay consistent with this, so I see results. So if you want to see results, I would say stay consistent with something. And like these three deep conditioners, including this, are my staples. Now, 2 conditioner is the only conditioner I use. I used to use the conditioner that follows along with the shampoo, but you know, Shea Moisture can be a little pricey, but Aussie, the Mega Moist, is my favorite. This is my 3rd bottle. Like it just makes your hair feel really soft. It's easy to detangle in the shower. You don't really need that much. But I use a lot because I love conditioner, and like it smells good too. Like I just might go get me another one just to get me another one. Like this right here is thebomb.com. So if you want some conditioner that's like $3.49 at Walmart, and you get like this big bottle, and it lasts me for, like I say, well, I use a lot of conditioner, so I would say like 2 months, and I've been here since August, so that's pretty good. Like 2-3 months it lasts me. Okay, now for like my leave-in conditioner, this right here is my leave-in conditioner. I use this all the time. I used it before and I'm gonna stay using it because like it smells really good. Like anything, really, Kayla, really, anything that smells tropical, I love it. Like it says it provides intense moisture, leaving hair soft and manageable. Formulated for damaged, dry, or coarse hair. It didn't matter when even when I had heat damage in my hair, I still put this in there because I had curls at my roots. So like I had to give my hair what it needed, or what I knew my hair liked. And my hair still likes it. I still use it, and I'm going to continue using it. I never really used another leave-in conditioner other than the Garnier one, but this right here, this is the one I use. This is what I've been using since my sophomore year of high school. So, and I'm gonna stay using this forever. Now when it comes to oils, these are the 2 oils I use the most. This is like for when I have like braids or protective styles. I always get this, always put this in my hair. It's a Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. Promotes thick, strong, healthy hair. Thickens and strengthens weak, damaged hair. Has shea butter, vitamin, and botanical thickeners. It tames frizz, adds shine, and helps reduce breakage while allowing your hair to grow longer. Which I believe. I don't know, some people don't believe the things that are on products, but I kind of do, because once again, I'm consistent with the things that I use. So I use this for like protective styles, like in my previous video when I had those braids and that bun in, I put this right after on my braids because I let those braids sit for like a good 3 to 4 days. So why not put some oil to help my hair grow? You know, need them things to flourish. And then my other oil you see that I'm basically out of is almond oil. Every time I wash my hair, I put a leave-in conditioner, I put an oil, and then I put a cream in my hair. This is my favorite oil. It's my favorite oil because like Jamaican black castor oil is too thick. I don't put that in my hair. Coconut oil is too greasy. I don't like coconut oil in my hair. You know, people be like praising coconut oil like, oh hell, coconut oil, and I'm just like, it's not that serious. Like, sorry if you love coconut oil. I'm a big coconut person, but not a big coconut oil person. Now, this right here, sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is my go-to all the time. It's super light. Let me see what it smells like. I don't know, it don't really smell like nothing, but this right here, my favorite. Now, do you guys heard me mention like Creme or whatever? This is the only thing I use right now. Stretch Silkening Creme by Miss Jessies. This is my first time using this. Not my first time right now, but this product in general. It smells like some type of baby powder, but it smells good, like a smell I like. And yeah, the best darn curl creams, period. You know what I'm saying? But it's for curls, kinks, and waves. I really like this because you know how sometimes when people do like washing gels and stuff and they put gel in their hair, or like other creams sometimes leave your hair feeling crunchy, and I don't like my hair feeling crunchy. Like, my hair literally feels soft a couple hours later. Like, who doesn't like soft curls? Like, my hair feels so soft right now, super duper soft, like super duper soft. But those are like my favorite products for transitioning right now. I'm not saying you have to get these products, but like, these are my favorite products. Like, they help me see things in my hair, like growth in my hair, my curls coming to life, you know what I'm saying? So if you're in like the transitioning process and you're watching like other different videos and they're like saying, oh, get this, get that, get that, get this, don't get so many products. What you need to do is like figure out what type of porosity your hair is, low or high. Once you figure that out, Google like cheap hair products for your hair type that can get the job done. That's all you have to do. You don't have to like, because once you go and buy all these things, some of those things your hair is not gonna like, so you're gonna be wasting your money. So get your money's worth, do your research, and that's that. But now to give you guys like a little update on my hair. I did cut my hair in March, like, and then like this is a month after. This is what my hair looks like a month after I cut my hair. Like, when I let my hair dry after I wash it, it's like really small and you see all these curls. But then when I bring this out, this handy dandy pick, that's when I get to see the volume in my hair, which I like because I've always been a person of like big hair, don't care, you know. I'm that type of person, and I really like the shape of my hair. Like, before when I had curls, my hair was not this shape at all, but I like this shape, so I want my hair to grow out like this so it can be big, and then like that. That's exactly what I want. But rocking my fro is dope. Like, my friend, she's like, oh, you're Amara La Negra, but she called me Amara La Blanca. So, you know, drop Amara La Blanca in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Call me Amara La Blanca. You feel me? But that about wraps up this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. And if you guys would like another video like on protective styles, how I wash my hair, how I deep condition, you know, different things like that, comment that down below. Like any other video you would like to see, I will present it to you. You know what I'm saying? Because I do this for y'all. But until next time, my loves.